And I'm going to explain you the polynomial functions. So we know that the polynomial functions are the ones that have a power function, and the power function goes with the bigger exponent to the lowest exponent. In this case, we want to sketch a power function, a polynomial function. So in this case, we have 2x squared plus 4x, and in here we can see that the 2x squared is a quadratic function that goes like this, and the 4x is a straight line. So how can we combine this kind of polynomial functions? Well, we have this type of steps. The first one is to know the degree. The degree is the highest exponent. In this case, is a number 2. And the next step is the end behavior that we can see with the highest degree, that is number 2, is an U shape or known as a quadratic function. The turning point, then the next step is a turning point. And here we use like a type of formula that is n minus 1. And the n is what we know as the degree. So we put the degree, that is number 2, minus 1 equals 1. And so we have one turning point. And the turning points are the ones that touch the graphic, the time that the sketch touched the graphic. Then we have the y-intercept. To know the y-intercept, we have to make that all our function give us 0. Y equals 0. Here. And so we put in the x, we substitute to the 0, and all of these give us 0. Sometimes it might give us another number if we have something like this, plus 2, and have notice x here give us y equals 2. But in this case, we have that y equals 0. So the y-intercept is 0, 0. To know the zeros that are the x-intercept, that is the next step, we have to factorize our function. To factorize, we have to factorize this one, this is our function, and when we finish factorizing, give us 2x in parentheses x plus 2. So we have to find out how to make this factorized function that gives us 0. So we substitute as we do with the y-intercept, we put 0. So we put 0 plus 2 gives us 0. And then inside the parentheses, we have to find out how to make all of these equal 0. So plus we have a 2 positive. We have to find out how to put it in equal 0. So we put minus 2. Minus 2 plus 0. And then with this, we have this 0, this minus 2, and another 0 here. We have here 0 and another comma minus 2. So we have this one, these two we use to find out our zeros. So 0, 0 and minus 2, 0. So we can use this to graphic. And then the last step is multiplicity. The multiplicity, we can find out how to find the multiplicity is by looking to our factorized function and see our degrees here. And we have, in this one, we have 1, and this one gives us another 1. So these two, 1, give us the multiplicity. So with 1, 1, we have 2 multiplicities, and with this we can know if it is an even function or a cross function. In this case, it's a cross touch, because the one is we use zeros and the two zeros. So we put it here, 0, 0 and minus 2, 0. And later on, so if we want to know if it's a positive graphic or a negative that is going up or is going down, what we have to do is to know is to tabulate. We put the number 1 or the number that we want to put here, and we will have to substitute this 1 in the function, and later we have to put like 1 square root 1 is 1 times 2 is 2, and 4 times 1 is 4, 2 plus 4 is 6. This 6 is positive, so we know that our sketch is going up in the positive side, and we put it here 1, 1,6. And so we know that our sketch is finished. Thank you.